Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Tempo widget on your phone. Tempo is a powerful video editing app designed to help creators make eye-catching short videos with music, effects and smooth transition. And to make editing even faster, Tempo allows users to access the app quickly using a home screen widget if supported on their device. And in this guide you will learn how to add the Tempo widget on your iPhone step by step. So how to add a Tempo is, first you need to unlock your phone and go to the home screen. You need to tap and hold on empty area of the home screen, and from the widget and from the menu that appears, tap on the edit in the top left. Over here select add widget, and what you can do is you need to find Tempo over here, or if you do not find it you can simply search widgets Tempo, and after that on the bottom there's an add widget. Tap on the add widget here, and this is it. It will automatically set it on your home screen. Release it to place the widget. Once added, the Tempo widget lets you open to the app faster or start editing without searching for the app icon, or start editing without the searching for the app icon. Adding the Tempo widget helps you save time and jump straight into the editing of videos. While widget availability may vary by division, device and version, keeping your app updated ensures you get the latest features Tempo offers. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.